Hi, this is Kayla, one of your Ventura College librarians. In this video, I'll show you how to use biography and context to find children's author biographies. Start at the library homepage and click on Databases A to Z. Scroll down to the B section and select Biography and Context. This database is unique in that it organizes content into sections, making it easy to browse. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a section for writers. If you click on that, it will take you to a page listing all of the writer biographies available. If you see an author you are interested in, click on their name to begin looking at the content available. Browsing the collection this way is best if you do not have an author in mind. If you already know the author biography you need, use the search bar at the top of the database to search for their name. In the results page, click on their name. If multiple names are listed, make sure to check their occupation. You will now be on a page containing biographies of the author, as well as any other sources that may be available, like newspaper, magazine articles, images, or videos. To access a biography, click on the title and you will go directly to the full text. On this page, there are options available to email the article, download the article, or get a citation for the article. You are now ready to start using biography and context. If you have any questions or need help, contact a librarian.